What if a typewriter could remember your work for you? That's exactly what a memory typewriter does. A memory typewriter is a typewriter that can hold a limited amount of memory. It can retain text and documents, so you do not have to redo everything from nothing. These machines help reduce the amount of time needed for lawyers to revise documents. If you have ever edited the same paperwork over and over, that time savings is a big deal. And inventions do not always move freely. The Invention Secrecy Act of 1951 lets the US government suppress disclosure of certain inventions for national security, using secrecy orders for patent applications. Even while Expo 85 in Plovdiv ran November 4 to 30, 1985, inventors were pushing ideas like this forward. Share this with a friend, because a typewriter might be smarter than you think.